In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an opening balance in Zoho Books. Setting up your opening balances correctly is an important step when you're moving your accounting into Zoho, because it ensures that your books start off accurate from day one. First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. You'll usually see the organization name near the top of the screen. This is important because the opening balances you set will only apply to the organization you're currently viewing. Next, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where you will find all the configuration options that control how your Zoho Books account behaves. Inside the settings area, look for the section labeled Setup and Configurations. Click on that. This section is where you define the backbone of your accounting environment, including things like chart of accounts and, in our case, opening balances. Now, within Setup and Configurations, locate the option called Opening Balances and click on it. The Opening Balances screen is where Zoho lets you define the starting figures for your accounts on the date you begin using the system. If you're switching from another accounting software or starting mid-year, you'll usually get these numbers from your trial balance or closing balances from the previous system. On the Opening Balances page, click the Edit button. This will unlock the fields so you can start entering your information. Before you type anything in, it's a good idea to have your source documents ready. For example, your previous balance sheet, bank statements, and a list of outstanding invoices and bills. Now, fill in the details needed. This usually includes the opening balances for your bank accounts, cash on hand, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and any other relevant accounts. Make sure you enter the correct amounts and choose the correct opening balance date, which is typically the day before you start recording new transactions in Zoho Books. Take your time here, because accurate data at this stage will save you a lot of trouble later. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and reviewed them carefully, click on